The Waitomo Caves, located on the North Island of New Zealand, might be the country's most remarkable natural attraction. Known especially for their glowing inhabitants and stunning limestone formations, these caves draw visitors from all over the world. Formed over millions of years through geological processes, the Waitomo Cave system offers both scientific significance and cultural importance, making it a unique destination that blends nature, history, and tourism. Let's talk about it. The caves were created from limestone that began forming around 30 million years ago when the region was covered by the ocean. Over time, the shells and skeletons of marine organisms accumulated on the seafloor and hardened into limestone rock. As land rose and water flowed through cracks in the stone, underground rivers slowly dissolved the rock, carving out the passages and chambers that exist today. This gradual erosion produced striking features such as stalactites hanging from the ceilings and stalagmites rising from the ground, many of which continue to grow as mineral-rich water drips through the cave system today. One of the most famous aspects of the Waitomo Caves is the presence of glowworms, specifically the species Arachnocampa luminosa. These tiny insects emit a soft blue-green light that illuminates the cave ceilings like a night sky filled with stars. The glowworms use this light to attract prey, trapping small insects in sticky silk threads. Visitors often take guided boat tours through the glowworm grotto, where the darkness and silence heighten the magical effect of thousands of glowing points above. This natural display has become an iconic image of New Zealand's wildlife and draws scientists interested in bioluminescence as well as tourists seeking a memorable experience. Beyond their natural beauty, the Waitomo Caves also hold cultural significance for the Maori people, the indigenous inhabitants of New Zealand. The caves were first explored in the late 19th century by local Maori chief Tain Tanaru and English surveyor Fred Mace. Their discovery led to the development of guided tours, many of which are still operated in partnership with Maori descendants today. The name Waitomo itself comes from Maori words meaning water for Wai and hole for Tomo, reflecting the underground rivers that shape the caves. This connection highlights the importance of respecting both the environment and the heritage associated with the site. Tourism plays a major role in the modern identity of the Waitomo Caves. Visitors can experience not only traditional walking and boat tours, but also adventure activities such as blackwater rafting, abseiling, and underground climbing. While tourism brings economic benefits to the region, it also requires careful management to protect the delicate cave ecosystem. Changes in temperature, carbon dioxide levels, or human contact can damage glowworms and limestone formations. Conservation efforts therefore focus on limiting visitor impact while still allowing people to appreciate the caves' beauty. In conclusion, the Waitomo Caves stand as a remarkable example of the power of natural processes combined with cultural history. Their ancient limestone formations, enchanting glowworms, and deep connections to Maori heritage make them one of New Zealand's most treasured landscapes. By balancing tourism with conservation, the Waitomo Caves can continue to inspire wonder and curiosity for generations to come. Thank you for watching. I'm a small channel, so any support or feedback would be appreciated.